Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a simple porridge recipe. The ingredients are rice, ginger, chicken stock, chicken, fried garlic, green onion, carrot, and salt. First, you need 1 pot of water, and heat up the water. Water, Then you can cook the chicken first. Next, you can put some salt in the water and chicken stock. Next, you can put the ginger and carrots into the pot. Next, when the water is boiling, you can put the rice into the pot and wait until it cooks. When it cooks, when it's already cooked, you can serve it into a bowl. Finally, you can put the fried garlic and some green onion for the garnish, and it's ready to serve. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please.